Now that we've gone through the process of setting up our console and storing our input and output information into a scene, let's take a look at backing up our console to our USB memory stick. When you back up your console to a USB memory stick, all console information will be stored. This includes everything from input channel libraries, channel settings, EQ libraries, effects libraries, preferences, Dante network settings. All channel parameters will be stored to your USB memory stick. Keep in mind, any file that you create on a CL series console can also be transferred to a QL series console. And any file that I create on a QL series console can be transferred to a CL series console as well. Let's take a look at how we store our information to a USB memory stick. The first thing we'll do is insert our USB memory stick into the console. This brings up the Save and Load window. Here on the Save and Load window, we can see any files that we already have on our USB memory stick. I want to create a backup copy of my desk. I'm going to do so by pressing Save. After pressing Save, the option menu appears. Here, we can select what type of file we want to create. We can create an all data file, scene memory file, input and output library file, effect and graphic EQ file, premium rack, or setup file. Let's create an all data file. This way we have a complete copy of everything on our desk. We can name that file on the next screen. I'm going to call this my backup. Now we have a complete copy of everything on your CL series console. Keep in mind, this file can be loaded to your QL series console as well. If you wish to load a file from a QL series or CL series console to your desk, simply select the file using your touch and turn encoder and then press Load. Before pressing Load, determine if you want to load your Dante setup information as well. Loading this information could change your network setup depending on the information contained in the file. Just for safety, I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. When loading that file, we can choose if we want to load all data, scene data, or any other parameters here on the Select Type window. I'm going to choose just my scenes. We can select the scenes that we want to load to the console and also choose where we want to land those scenes on the desk. Now, I've just loaded my fish fry scenes onto the base scene of my console.